In today's video, I'll show you how to add images in Typeform step by step. If you want to make your forms more visual, engaging, and easier to understand, adding images is one of the simplest ways to improve the user experience. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. Then open the form where you want to add images or create a new form if you're starting from scratch. Once you're inside the form builder, you'll see the Add Content button on the left side. Click on it to view all available elements. Now you have a few different ways to add images depending on what you want to achieve. If you want to add an image as part of a question, select a question type like multiple choice or opinion scale, then open its settings. Inside the options, you'll see the ability to add images to answer choices. This is useful when you want users to select between visual options instead of plain text. Next, you can also add a standalone image block. This is useful if you want to show a banner, product image, instruction image, or any visual content between questions. Just select the image option from the content menu and upload your file from your computer. After that, choose your image file and upload it. Typeform supports common formats like JPG and PNG, and once uploaded, the image will instantly appear inside your form. Now you can adjust how the image looks. You can resize it, reposition it within the question, or align it to fit your design style. Keeping images clean and centered usually gives the best visual result. Another useful option is using images in the background or theme settings. Go to the Design section, and you can upload a background image to give your entire form a more branded and professional look. If you are using images for branding, make sure they are high quality but not too heavy in file size. This helps your form load faster and keeps the experience smooth for users on both mobile and desktop. Before publishing, always preview your form. Check how the images appear across different devices and make sure they don't distract from the main questions. You can also test different placements to see what feels more natural. Sometimes a simple image between sections can improve engagement more than adding too many visuals. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add images in Typeform and make your forms more visually appealing and interactive. And that's how you add images in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.